How to not let others download Dropbox. So what you want to do is open up your folder where your files are located. So you can either come and do this for individual files, or you can do this for the whole folder by clicking on the settings cog. If you want to do it for an individual file, you come click on share, click on the settings cog, and then it's the same process. So let me show you for the folder, settings cog, and then click on manage permissions. Okay. Now you see this option that says link. So you would have to have created a viewing link first. So click on settings. And now we have a link for viewing right here. We have created one. What you basically need to do is toggle on this option that says disable downloads, and then just click on save, and no one will be able to download the files in this folder. They'll only be able to view it. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.